Hello there, my name is Jerome. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Secondlifeasia Syndrome Berhad. We are a 6-year-old company. We started in January 2020. We specialize very much in devices as well as technology, ranging from the ICT sector as well as the telecom sector. The Asian market for iPhones is not constrained by demand. It is paralyzed by risk. Financiers, retailers, and telcos are sitting on the sidelines. The reason being is because once the device is out of their store, it's beyond their control. We at Secondlifeasia has built an indispensable circular platform. We are the technology that keeps giving. We are able to convert a high-risk electronic device into a financially secured recoverable asset. We have successfully pivoted from a linear repair business into a vertically integrated ecosystem. At the heart of this is Ctrlytics, our proprietary SaaS lock solution. It totally changes the formula of the industry. It provides the financing companies the 100% confidence that should a user or a subscriber defaults, they are able to control and manage the device. We are not just repairing hardware, we are providing the digital security layer to bridge the gap between the lenders and the consumers. We are totally transforming the high-risk electronics market into a low-risk, high-yield asset. With the digital security layer in place, we are aggressively scaling our dedicated phone vertical. The beauty of this model is our zero CAC framework. We are aggressively working together with our point of sales to target high velocity traffic into their current location, whereby either through repairs or purchases. With this in place, we are able to convert customers that are already inboarding without spending an additional single dollar on marketing. This enables to scale profitability and lean as we hit strike when we are growing fast together with our tech. We aren't just a Malaysian player. We intend to export our circular Ctrlytics framework throughout Southeast Asia, with partnerships in Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia to replicate our proven playbook as well as technology to partners within those regions to tap on the incredible demand for premium devices with minimum incremental risk. We are raising up to 5 million ringgit to dominate the Asian circular economy. 40% of it will be used to inventorize our zero CAC sales team, with the balance refueling our JV rollout as well as tech team. Secondlifeasia is actually a regional infrastructure for device financing. Do not miss out on this high growth opportunity. Join us on ground zero on this race. I'm looking forward to see you at our equity fundraise. Thank you very much.